18 passengers were injured after a Delta plane flipped upside down during landing at Toronto Pearson Airport.
The FAA says 80 people were on that plane at the time of the crash.
On the runway in Toronto, a terrifying end for Delta Flight 4819.
Our plane crashed.
Endeavour Air regional jet had just arrived from Minneapolis in gusty winds when something went terribly wrong. All 80 people on board managed to escape through the emergency exits.
The airplane flipped.
18 people injured and transported to area hospitals, including 2 airlifted to trauma centers. The question for investigators, how and why did the plane lose at least one, maybe both wings on landing, then flip over, causing jet fuel to spill onto the runway? The investigation now will be led by the Canadian Transportation Safety Board, with both the U.S. FAA and NTSB assisting.
And that was NBC's Tom Costello reporting. Now, to reiterate, that same aircraft left Cleveland at about 8 o'clock this morning for Minneapolis. So far, there is no indication that any passengers on that flight were also on the Minneapolis flight to Toronto.